Hey everyone, welcome back to Daily Updates, your go-to channel for all latest educational and career opportunity. If you are preparing for AIIMS B.Sc Nursing or Paramedical Entrance Exam 2025, this video is for you. In this video, we will talk about top 5 exam preparation tips for AIIMS Paramedicals and B.Sc Nursing. So today I will be sharing the top 5 expert tips to crack AIIMS and other paramedical entrance exam on your first time. So let's move toward our tip number 1. Know your syllabus. The first thing first, download the official syllabus from the AIIMS exam website, which you can find in description, and focus on the key subjects like physics, chemistry, biology, and general knowledge for paramedical course, and brush up your nursing concept for BSc post-basic nursing. So now move towards tip number 2. Make a daily study routine. Divide your time wisely between theory and MCQ. Set achievable targets. For example, 3 hours for theory and 2 hours for practical question daily. So now tip number 3. Use the best study material. So here is some refer standard book like Nursing Entrance Exam Guide by Harian or Disha Paramedical Entrance Guide. So more you want to solve previous year AIIMS papers and always solve mock test. So now move to our tip number 4. Revise regularly. Keep your weekends for revision. Make short notes for quick revision of important formula, drugs and nursing procedure. So our last and final tips, tip number 5, stay healthy and confident. Take short break, eat well and sleep on time. A healthy mind learn better and faster. So friends, follow these tips, stay consistent and success will follow you. All the best for your exam. So if you found this video helpful, do like, share and subscribe to Daily Updates. And comment below if you want to full video on study timetable or book list. So see you in next video.